guys, hi guys. Diba? Nice guy guys. Uy, lleva algo en la boca, ¿viste? You don't want me to take a picture. I can't take picture of myself.
You can take pictures down there. Let's get out of here.
It was going to stall a little bit more over Mexico, kind of peter out a little bit more, but then it went through so quickly that helped out this morning. So, you know, kind of give and take. You got a little bit more rain coming out of it, but it zoomed right through here and held down.
And when it came to the desert, and this is what I was hearing as I was watching the news as everybody else, where it was wall-to-wall yesterday on the local channels. I couldn't even see the national news last night because it was local wall-to-wall.
Yeah.
We kept on hearing about the post-apocalyptic scene we're going to see in the deserts and the areas below that because the water could not absorb in the hard desert soil. Did that turn out to be true?
No. So Palm Springs, they've got some trees down. They had a little bit of flooding in Eisenhower Medical Center into City Hall. There's an area where it dips down a little bit and water went in. But generally speaking, no. The Antelope Valley saw a little bit of it. The area, you know, Riverside, San Bernardino counties, they got a little. But there were so many predictions of this rain is going to come down. There's going to be walls of water coming down.
ça m'intéresse pas, mais c'est comme ça on fait.
Oh, that's the visitor center right there. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists now. Okay, that's the dam. It's holding back the lake. The lake is over there. And the water goes through the dam and it turns to
Where
generators.
is the stone, the red color stone, the big stone? Over the
Exhibits. See those exhibits? All this shit is new. Wow, this is way different. You wanna get out and look down there? We can get out. I'll have to turn around and park. Oh, see, there goes like. Look how low the water is. See, the water used to be all the way up. See the mark on the side of the wall? That's where the water used to be. Now it's all the way down there. Scary. Look at that bridge.
yeah. My goodness, looks so scary. Huh?
There goes the police right here. Undercover. Don't even say police on it. That's a police car.
Wow.
That's the dam. Look.
Where?
See? Right there. That's the Hoover Dam. Parking? You want to park and walk or just drive through? We'll just drive through. I don't care about parking. You want to get out and take pictures though? Bridge scenic view. I don't know what this view is. Let's see what this view is.
Oh, he's okay.
Access Road.
I don't know what you can see up there. You want to go up there? Oh, but those are stairs.
Yeah.
You can't take him up on stairs. I don't know what the fuck is up there. To Memorial Bridge Plaza. That's not the dam though. Enter here, no visitor amenities. Memorial Bridge Plaza. No, that's not the dam.
See? Very nice here. There's no houses, there's no trees. It's all mountain.
Go.
Easy.
Get back. Get him.
What, 65 years?
Oh my
parents were here.
God.
They still didn't speak a word of
This is
English.
so
I mean,
nice. Turn off that shit. Oh my god. This is so nice. It's amazing. Wow. Wow.
See, Hoover Dam.
Wow. can use your camera to picture, to get a nice picture.